I Paint World. How's it going? See the I Paint shirt. You guys ain't seen it before. I got my 4-year-old son Cameron with me today. He's my model. We're gonna be doing the blue character that runs real fast and has white gloves and red shoes. I'm not gonna mention their name. Okay, so I'm gonna be using the black, the white, the blue, and you see Cameron wants to help, and also gold. Okay. Also, my little handy dandy spray bottle. So I think I'm using about 4 brushes for this one. 2 medium and 2 liner brushes. I don't know if you guys notice in the background, you will always see the art change up. If you go to my previous videos, you will see a different piece of art piece in the back hanging on the wall. And those are actually all of my pieces that I created myself. Okay, so I'm starting with this white paint. Mixing that water in so I can get a nice little coat. We're gonna do this real quick. So you're just gonna place white paint all over the hand, going up to maybe half an inch over the wrist. That's just white paint. I'm gonna do this real quick. Like I say all the time, if you have a line, it's easy to go on ahead and knock them out. Those kids are impatient, and they're gonna be jumping around and trying to walk around and see what this person doing, what that person doing, what they're getting, and so on. So I add that white hand. While that white hand dries, I'm gonna be adding a gold ring. Gold ring right above the white. And above the gold ring, I'm gonna put that blue arm. Just a little bit of blue, it represents the skin. Represents the skin. This is a real fast job. It's not like I'm doing it for a photo. It's just a tutorial for you guys. So then with the black, I'm gonna outline in between the ring, in between the skin and the ring, the gold ring. Like put a black line like maybe an inch, 3/4 of an inch from the top of the wrist where the white is. It kind of represents the fold in the glove. And you can make that line solid, or you can like make it come from each side with a space in the middle. Represents the fold in the glove. I'm adding 3 circles like around by the knuckles. I should be a little closer so you guys can see better, but I'm surprised I got my 4-year-old to sit that still. So I was trying to go fast as I could, you guys. And he was tired too because it had been thunderstorming in Dallas all day, all night. You guys see I'm just playing with the black a little bit. I could have put a better coat of white on there and blue, but just something quick for you guys, just for you beginners. If you guys don't have any ideas of what to do or how to do things, starting on the arm, that'll help you out a lot. And it's not very messy. There you go, you have Sonic arms. Voila, this is my next video.